Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll solve exercise 4A. The first question says simplify leaving your answers in index form. So how do you solve this problem? So number one, look at this. Number one says 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power 4. 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power 4. So if we look at this 2 cube, here 2 is called base and 3 is called power, or you can say that is also called index, and that is actually index form. Okay, so index form. So here the question says you have to leave your answer in index form. That means you have to leave your answer in that way. So when you see base are same and there is a multiplication, then you have to only add the power. So 2 to the power, we have to add the power 3 plus 4. That means 2 to the power 7. And that is the answer of number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 says 3 cube multiplied by 3 to the power 6. So similar way, look, both base are same. That means we have to add the power. So 3 to the power 3 plus 6, that is 9. Very simple. Now number 3. Number 3 says 5 square multiplied by 5 to the power 4. Look, here base are same. That means we have to just add the power. That means 2 plus 4. So 5 to the power 4 plus 2, that is 6. Now next problem. Next problem says number 4. 3 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. So we can write in this way: 3 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 5. So here 3 means actually 3 to the power 1. So look, both base are same. So we have to add the power. So 1 plus 2. Because 3 and 3 to the power 1 both are same. So 3 to the power 1 plus 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 plus 1. So we can write in this way: 3 cube multiplied by 5 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 5. And that is the answer of number 4. Now number 5. Number 5 says square root of 2 to the power 10. So how can you solve this one? This is very simple. Square root means the power will be half. Square root of 2 means actually 2 to the power half. Square root of 3 means actually 3 to the power half. So actually when we see this type of thing, square root, that means actually the power will be half. So square root of 2 to the power n, that means the power will be half. So we have to multiply this power by half. Why? Because of the square. Now 10 divided by 2. If we divide 10 by 2, it will be 5. So what will be our final answer? That will be 2 to the power 5. And we have to leave our answer in this way. Now number 6. Number 6 says square root of 3 to the power 8. So we know that square root means we have to multiply the power by half. So if we divide 8 by 2, it will be 4. So answer will be 3 to the power 4. So this is the answer of number 6. Now go to number 7. Number 7 says 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 6. So when we see the division sign between two index form, then we have to think about the base. If base are same, then we have to only subtract the power. So 3 to the power 8 minus 6. 3 to the power 8 minus 6, actually 3 is squared. Okay, that is very simple thing. Number 8 right now. Number 8 says 4 to the power 7 divided by 4 cube. So look at this. When base are same and there is a division between two index form, then we have to subtract the power. Then we have to subtract the power. So answer will be 4 to the power 7 minus 3. Actually 4 to the power 7 minus 3 will be 4 to the power 4. Now number 9. Look at number 9. Number 9 says 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 5. So look, there is a two index form and there is a division sign. So we have to subtract the power because base are same. So 5 to the power 10 minus 5. So 5 to the power 10 minus 5, that will be 5. We have to leave our answer in this way. So that will be the answer of number 9. Now number 10. Number 10 says 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 square. So look at this. Here base are same. So we have to add the power for multiplication sign and subtract the power for the division sign. So we can write in this way 2 to the power 3 plus 5 minus 2. That is 2 to the power 3 plus 5, 8 minus 2. It will be 2 to the power 6. And that is our answer. And we can also solve this problem in this way too. Suppose 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power 5. 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 square. So what does 2 cube means? 2 cube means 2 will be multiplied 3 times. What does 2 to the power 5 means? 2 will be multiplied 5 times. So I'm just multiplying. And 2 square, that means 2 will be multiplied 2 times. So we are dividing 2 and 2. So how many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means answer will be 2 to the power 6. So we can solve the problems in this way. Now number 11. Number 11 says simplify. So simplify x square multiplied by x cube. Same way we have to solve. Look, both base are same. So look, there is a two index form and there is a multiplication sign between them and both base are same. Then we have to add the power index. So x to the power 2 plus 3, that will be x to the power 5. And that will be our answer. Number 12. Number 12 says y cube multiplied by y to the power 4. Look at this. Here, both base are same. So we have to add the power. This is the similar problem. So answer will be y to the power 7. Now number 13. Number 13 said z to the power 7 multiplied by z to the power 6. Now both base are same, so we have to add the power. 7 plus 6, that will be 13. Very simple. Now number 14. Look at number 14. 14 says 3z to the power 4. 3z to the power 4 multiplied by 4z cube. Look here, 3 and 4. This is called the coefficient. So 3 is coefficient of z to the power 4 and 4 is coefficient of z cube. So we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 multiplied by 4, that will be 12. And we have to multiply z to the power 4 into z cube right now. So z to the power 4 multiplied by z cube. So how can you solve this problem? Look, z to the power, we have to add the power. So 4 plus 3. So answer will be 12 z to the power 7. Now number 15. 15 says a to the power 6 divided by a square. While we will see the same base and there is two index form and there is division sign. Then we have to subtract the power. A to the power 6 minus 2. What is a to the power 6 minus 2? That is a to the power 4. And that will be the answer of number 15. Now number 16. Number 16 says 12 a to the power 6 divided by 4 a square. So how can you solve this problem? At first you have to divide 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4, that will be 3. Simple. Now a to the power 6 divided by a square. Base are same, so we have to subtract the power. A to the power 6 minus 2. Then the final answer will be 3a to the power 4. Okay, very simple. And we can solve the 16 in another way. That is 12a to the power 6 divided by 4a square. 12a to the power 6 divided by 4a square. So we can divide 12 by 4, that will be 3. So look at this 3 and a to the power 6 means a will be multiplied 6 times. 6 times we have to multiply it. So now and a square means a will be multiplied 2 times. Now we have to divide. We can divide a and a and a. Then how many a are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Here the final answer will be 3a to the power 4. Number 17. Number 17 says b cube multiplied by b square multiplied by b. B and b to the power 1 both are same thing. Look, there is a multiplication sign. So we have to add the power. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. Because every base are same in this index form. So answer will be b to the power 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is b to the power 6. So simple. Now next one, number 18. Number 18 says b cube multiplied by b square divided by b. So look at this, there is a multiplication sign. So we have to add the power. Then for division sign, we have to subtract the power. So b to the power 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, that is b to the power 4. And we can solve it in another way. Look at this, b cube multiplied by b square divided by b. So if we divide b square by b, it will be b. So b cube multiplied by b, that will be b to the power 3 plus 1, that is b to the power 4. Simple. Now number 19. Number 19 says square root of b to the power 6. We know that square root means we have to multiply the power by half. So b to the power 6 multiplied by half, that is 6 by 2, it will be 3. So multiplying any number by half or dividing any number by 2, both are same thing. So multiplying any number, multiplying any number by half is equal to dividing any number by 2. So just if we look at this question, square root of b to the power 6, so just divide 6 by 2, that will be 3. So b cube will be our final answer. Now number 20. Number 20 is also very easy thing. Look at this. 20 says square root of 16 is square b to the power 4. We know that square root of 16 will be 4 and a square. We know that square root means we have to divide the power by 2. So if we divide 2 by 2, it will be 1, and b to the power 4 by 2, that will be 2. So that will be our answer. And we can solve it in another way. Square root of 16 a square b to the power 4. Look, we can write 16 in this way. Suppose 16 is equal to, if we want to convert 16 in index form, then what will you get? We can divide 16 by 2, it will be 8. 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. 4 divided by 2, it will be 2. So 16 is actually represents 2 to the power 4. So 16 means 2 to the power 4 multiplied by a square multiplied by b to the power 4. So square root means dividing by 2 or multiplying by half. So 2 to the power 4 multiplied by half for the square root multiplied by a square. So 2 multiplied by half multiplied by b to the power 4 multiplied by half. If we divide, then we can easily solve this one. 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. So what will be our final answer? 2 square multiplied by a multiplied by b square. So 2 square means 4a and b square. And that is the answer of number 20. Now 21. 21. How can you solve 21? Look. 3x square y multiplied by 4x square y square. At first we have to multiply 3 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. And x square multiplied by x square. So look, base is same and there is a multiplication. So we have to add the power. 2 plus 2. And look at this, base are same. So we have to add the power of y. So y to the power 1 plus 2. So the final answer will be 12 x to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4. Y to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. Simple. Now 22. 22 says 24 x cube y square divided by 4xy. So 24 divided by 4, that will be 6. X cube divided by x base is same, so we have to subtract the power. X to the power 3 minus 1 and y to the power 2 minus 1. So 6 x to the power 3 minus 1, that is x square, y to the power 2 minus 1, that is y. So answer will be 6x square 1. Or you can solve it in another way, that is you look at it, 24x cube y square divided by 4xy. So divide 24 by 4, that will be 6. X cube by x, that will be x square. Y square by y, that will be y. So look, you will get same answer here, 6x square 1. Now 23. Similar way we can solve it. 36p square q to the power 4 divided by 12p cube. So if we divide 36 by 12, it will be 3 because we know that 12 3s are 36. And p square divided by p, so p to the power 2 minus 1 and q to the power 4 minus 3. So now solve it. 3 p to the power 2 minus 1, that is p. Q to the power 4 minus 3, that will be q. So answer will be 3p. Now 24. So how can you solve 24? Look. Square root of 64 a to the power 6 b square. So we know that square root of 64 will be 8 and a to the power 6. So square root means we have to divide the power by 2. So it will be a cube because 6 by 2, that will be 3. And b square, 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. So answer will be 8 a cube b. And you can solve this one in another way. Look at the square root of 64 a to the power 6 b square. Look, 64 means we can divide it by 2. That means we have to convert it into index form. So 32 to just 64. We can divide 32 by 2 again, it will be 16. 16 by 2, it will be 8. 8 by 2, it will be 4. 4 by 2, it will be 2. So 64 actually means 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 multiplied by a to the power 6 multiplied by b square. Now, what is the square root means? Square root means we have to multiply the power by half. So 2 to the power 6 multiplied by half multiplied by a to the power 6 multiplied by half multiplied by b square. So 2 multiplied by half. So simple thing, just we have to divide. 6 by 2, it will be 3. 6 by 2, it will be 3. 2 by 2, it will be 1. So answer will be 2 cube a cube b. 2 cube means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 a cube b. So 8 a cube b will be the final answer. Very simple. Now 25. 25 says 28 x to the power 6 divided by 7 x square. So how can you solve it? 28 divided by 7, that is 4. And x to the power 6 divided by x square, that is x to the power 6 minus 2. So 4 x to the power 4 will be our final answer. Or we can solve in this way. 28 x to the power 6 divided by 7 x square. 28 by 7, that will be 4. X to the power 6 by x square, that will be x to the power 4. Look, you will get same answer here also. Now next one, 26. 26 is also very similar problem. 5ab multiplied by 3a square b multiplied by 4ab square. Now we have to multiply 5, 3 and 4. So 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. What will it be? 5 4 is 20, 3 is 60. So it should be 60. Now a is square a. So a to the power here 1, here 2 and here 1 multiplied by b to the power 1, 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now we have to add 60. A to the power 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. B to the power 4. That is our final answer. Now 27. How can you solve this problem? 27 says 5ab multiplied by 6a square b divided by 2a cube b. Now, how can you solve this problem? This is also very easy. Look, 5 and 6, this is 2 in multiplication position. So 5, 6 are 30. And we have to divide this 30 by 2. It will be 15. 15. And a squared, both in multiplication position. So we have to add 1 plus 2. And there is a 3 here. So minus 3 multiplied by, here is a b. b to the power 1, 1. 1 plus 1. Here is a minus 1. So 15 a to the power 0, because 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, into b to the power 1 and 1 will gone, so b to the power 1. So answer will be 15b, and that is the answer of number 27. And we can solve it in another way. Look at it. There is a multiplication, so we have to multiply 5ab multiplied by 6a square b. And there is a division sign, so we have to divide 2a cube b. Now look at this. We can solve it very quickly. 5ab, 5 multiplied by 6, that will be 30, multiplied by a multiplied by b, multiplied by a square means a multiplied by a multiplied by b. And 2a cube b, 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by b. So now we have to solve 30 divided by 2, that will be 15. Now we can divide a by a, this a by a, this a by a, and this b by b. So what will be left? The answer will be 15, and there is a b there. So 15b. 15b will be the answer of number 27. Now number 28. So how can you solve number 28? This is also very simple. ab whole square multiplied by ab whole cube. So if we say AB is base, then we have to add the power. So AB to the power 2 plus 3. So answer will be AB to the power 5. That is your answer. And you can also write this one in this way. A to the power 5, B to the power 5. And another way you can solve it, that is AB whole square multiplied by AB whole cube. So AB whole square means A square multiplied by B square. AB whole cube means A cube multiplied by B cube. So here look, A to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by B to the power 2 plus 3. So now we have to add A to the power 5 multiplied by B to the power 5. And that is our answer. Very simple. Now number 29. 29 says square root of A to the power 6 B square. So what does square root mean? Square root means we have to multiply the power by half. So A to the power 6 multiplied by half multiplied by B to the power 2 multiplied by half. So we can divide 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. So it will be A cube. 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. So that will be B. And we can solve it in another way. Look, square root of A to the power 6 B squared. So we know that square root means we have to divide the power by 2. So look at this, A to the power 6 by 2, that will be 3. B to the power 2 by 2, that will be 1. So A cube B will be the final answer. We can solve it very quickly. Now number 30. Number 30 says square root of 25 x square y square. So square root of 25 means 5. Now x square. So square root means we have to divide the power by 2. So x to the power 2 by 2, that is 1. Y to the power 2 by 2, that is 1. So answer will be 5xy. And we can solve it in another way. Look, 25 x square y square. 25 actually means 5 square multiplied by x square multiplied by y square. So square root means we have to multiply the power by half. Multiplying any number by half or dividing any number by 2, both are same thing. So x to the power 2 multiplied by half and y to the power 2 multiplied by half. So if we divide, then our final answer will be 5xy. And that is the total solution of this chapter. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.